Data analysis using R. Figures in the history of statistics. Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss, 1777–1855. Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss was a German mathematician and physicist who is universally regarded as one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. His contributions spanned a wide range of mathematical disciplines, and he has had a lasting impact on many areas of mathematics, astronomy, and physics. Here are some highlights of his life and work. Child prodigy, Gauss showed early signs of mathematical genius. One often told anecdote is that, at the age of 7, he found a quick way to add up all the numbers from 1 to 100 by pairing them, 1 plus 100, 2 plus 99, etc., getting 50 pairs of 101, which sums up to 5050. Disquisitions Arithmetici. At the age of 21, Gauss published this fundamental work on number theory. It had 7 sections, some of which laid the groundwork for modular arithmetic and modern abstract algebra. Prime number theorem. Gauss conjectured the distribution of prime numbers and how they thin out as one moves to larger numbers, which was later precisely formulated and proved by others. Astronomy. Gauss made significant contributions to astronomy. He predicted the orbit of the dwarf planet Ceres, which had been lost after its discovery. Gauss's Theorema egregium. This theorem states that the curvature of a surface can be determined entirely by measuring angles and distances on the surface. This means the curvature is an intrinsic property of the surface and does not change if the surface is bent without being stretched. Method of least squares. In statistics and data fitting, Gauss introduced the method of least squares, which minimizes the sum of the squared residuals to fit a function to data points. Non-Euclidean geometry. Although he did not publish this work, Gauss was one of the first to consider the possibility of geometries other than the familiar Euclidean geometry. Gauss's law. In physics, especially electromagnetism, Gauss's law relates the distribution of electric charge to the resulting electric field. Gaussian distribution, or normal distribution, a fundamental probability distribution in statistics, often represented by a bell curve.